Hi, this is Shujoy from 7 Boats. Today we will going to see how we can find a different tools under one platforms for all our needs. So let's go to Google first and search with the tool name H Super Tools. And then the first one is free SEO and digital marketing tools. You have to click on that link and you will be there. So you will find there a lot of tools are there, like is for SEO you can do a keyword research tool is there, bulk keyword data tool, backlink checker tool, SEO analyzer. For YouTube you will find keyword tool, AI title generator, topic explorer, find channels. For AI tool, AI writer is there, online generator tool is there, YouTube title generator is there. For email checker, bulk email validation is there. There is lots of tool is already there. So just f- for example, if I want to do keyword research from here, so I have to go to the keyword research part, keyword research tool, and here we go. This is where I have to search with my primary keyword. So let's search with my primary keyword. For example, if I search with my keyword digital marketing, let's see what happens. So I will search on that digital marketing keyword, and let's see what is people going to search and what are the competition level and the search volume. This all will show. And look at this, there is all this keywords is already here. You can see the monthly volume, paid competition, and CPC and all. So in this way, just see, all things are there. In this way you can search any keywords from these keyword tools and also use other tools also. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe for more similar update, and do hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.